Good morning, everybody. I'm just wondering whether this is working because my face has frozen. Oh, wait, no, I'm back. I'm back. Hi, everybody. It's Friday. It's maths. It's crazy hair week, although looking at my hair, isn't that crazy? Actually, I thought I was being wild and crazy with, ooh, A up. That looks good. Could do that instead. How's your crazy hair going? Are you still keeping up the crazy hair trend for maths this week? I'm going to try it like that. It might not stay in. What kind of style have you got? Have you got plaits? Have you got spikes? Have you got colour in your hair? Does it help with your maths work, having crazy hair? Will we carry it on next week? Today in maths, we are going to be recapping over what we've done over the past 2 weeks in a maths quiz bonanza, all based on sharing, grouping, so dividing numbers. And I've got true or false statements. And there's going to be 8 of them, 8 questions. So for today's lesson, you need your brains, you need a piece of paper, and at the top of your paper you can write true or false, because that's what you're answering today. If my statements that I put up are true or false. And then there's 8 of them, so down the side of your page you can do numbers 1 to 8. You will need jot paper in case you need to scribble down any workings out to work out if a statement is true or false. So pencil, rubber, you know, that kind of stuff. And pause me, go and get all of that sorted, get your test paper ready, quiz paper ready, and then we'll have some fun. See you in a moment. Hi, you're probably back now. Did you pause me? Did you go and get yourself sorted? Right, let me one down. Let's share my screen then and let's get going with question 1. True or false? Okay, I think it's working. Here we go. I hope you can see that. True or false? This is what you've got to decide. There's the picture and there's children on the picture. You might want to count how many. The children can get into 6 groups of 2. True or false? The children can get into 6 groups of 2. Pause me now, work it out, and write true or false next to your first question. Welcome back, question 2. Here we go. No pictures for this one at all. Let's read the words carefully. There are 25 flowers. I want to put 5 flowers in each pot. I need 6 pots. Is that true or is that false? You might want to use your jot paper to help you work that one out. Let's read it one more time so you're definitely clear. There are 25 flowers. I want to put 5 flowers in each pot. I need 6 pots. Is that statement true or false? Pause me now, work it out and write true or false next to number 2. Welcome back. Question 3. No pictures again to help us out. And just one sentence. 18 can be shared into 2 equal groups. 18 can be shared into 2 equal groups. True or false? Work it out. Put true or false next to number 3. Pause me now. Brilliant. Question 4. Okay, we've got a picture now. Some tasty strawberries on 2 plates. Let's read what it's saying. The strawberries have been shared equally. The strawberries have been shared equally. Is that true or is that false? Write your answer for question 4. True or false? Pause me now and work it out. That one was all right, wasn't it? That one was easy enough. Question 5. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Ooh. True or false? Is this correct? 10 divided by 80 equals 8. True or false? Think carefully. You might want to jot something down, jot down a picture or some numbers to help you work that one out. 10 divided by 80 equals 8. True or false? For question 5. Question 6. Another number sentence, and this is to do with your 5 times tables. This time it says 8 equals 40 divided by 5. Is that true or is that false? 8 equals 40 divided by 5. Question 7. True or false? An even number plus an even number will always be equal to an even number. I remember us talking about this. An even number plus an even number will always be equal to an even number. Is that true or is that false? Pause me now, work it out. And finally, question 8, true or false? 16 pence is shared equally between 2 friends. Each friend will get 7 pence. Is that true or is that false? 16 pence is shared equally between 2 friends. Each friend will get 7 pence. Is that true or is that false? Pause me now and work it out. Teddy, I'm trying to do work. Do you want to put your super mask on? Superman mask on and go away? Yeah. You want another snack? Hang on, I think I'm on. Hang on, let me pause it. Stop share, pause share. Sorry, everybody. Pause share. Stop share. Right, sorry, everybody. Before we go over the answers, Teddy just wanted to say hello to everybody. You going to say hello? Or are you just smiling? Brilliant. Thanks for that. We'll go over the answers now. Okay, let's go over the answers. How did you get on? So now on your page, you should have true or false written by each number. All right, Teddy, there's more in the bowl. I'm trying to do a lesson. You should have true or false by each one. Do you have little brothers and sisters that get in the way sometimes? My little Ted. He's asking for more snacks. Let's go over the answers and see how we got on. Share screen. Share. So we started off with the children can get into 6 groups of 2. How many children are there together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 children there. The answer is true. 12 children can get into 6 groups of 2. Can you see there how they've been grouped together? Well done. If you got true for that one, you can give yourself a nice tick. Number 2. It was the flowers question. There are 25 flowers. I want to put 5 flowers in each pot. I need 26 pots. True or false? What did you think? False. You cannot put 5 flowers into 6 pots, because if you do your 5 times table, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. By the time you get to 25, you've filled up 5 pots. If you had 6 pots out, you would have 30 flowers altogether, and we don't. We only had 25. So you needed to know your 5 times table for that one. And you can see here from this bar model, 5 goes into 25 5 times. Well done if you got false for that one. Question 3. 18 can be shared equally. Can be shared into 2 equal groups. True or false? True. There's our 18 counters, and they've been shared into 2 groups, and there are 9 in each group. That is equal. The same amount in both groups. So 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Question 4 was the strawberry one. The strawberries have been shared equally. Is that true or false? How many strawberries are true? How many strawberries are on this plate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are on this plate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 on each side. That is equal. Well done. Question 6. Get out of the way, you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, hang on. There we go. Let's put that down. Right. Where are we? Question 5. 10. If we had 10 objects and you divided 10 by 80, so you put 10 objects into 80 groups, would that equal 8? False. 10 shared into 80 equal groups does not equal 8. 80 shared into 10 equal groups, so if you switch those numbers round, then that does equal 8. So the numbers were the wrong way around at the time. So well done if you realised that didn't make sense for us. Well done. Question 6. 8 equals 40 divided by 5. And again, you needed to know your 5 times table for this question. And really, let's see if it's true or false. True or false? What did he put? True. 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. So 5, if you do your 5 times table until you get to 40, then you can work out how many 5s goes into 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 5 goes into 40 8 times. And that's exactly what this statement said. If we had 40 and we divided that by 5, so we're putting groups of 5, you would have 8 groups. And there's 2 bar models to show that, the 5 times table one, which is what we've talked about, and also 8s into 40 as well. And there are 5 8s that go into a 40. Question 7. We definitely talked about this. An even number plus an even number will always be equal to an even number. True or false? True or false? True or false? What did you think? True. Can you remember when we were looking at the shape of numbers with the Numicon? I had the Numicon out. An even number add an even number is an even number. You don't get any of the odd bits poking off the top. And you can see that through this representation with the Numicon. So for example, 6, which is an even number, add 4, makes 10 there. We've got 12, add 6, 2 even numbers, makes 18. And we've got 26, add 8, another 2 even numbers, makes 34. If you add 2 even numbers together, any 2 in the world, you will still get an even number. Fact. Last one. 16 pence shared equally between 2 friends. Each friend gets 7p each. Is that true? Is that false? True, false, true, false. The answer is false, because if you have 16 and you share that between 2 groups, it's 8 pence that each friend will get, not 7p. If you had 2 groups of 7p, 7 add 7 is 14 pence. Didn't have 14p, they had 16 pence. So 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So each friend will get 8 pence. How did you get on? I hope you enjoyed today's quiz. There were some tricky questions there. And there were some good questions there. A huge well done for putting in the effort. A huge well done for getting through another week of maths. And I'm just sorry that we're not in the classroom doing it together. But it's fine, because it'll happen again soon. We just got to keep ploughing on this way for a bit, haven't we? I hope you've enjoyed maths. I hope you've done lots of learning through maths. And I hope some of you might have even had crazy hair like me this week. And we'll see what next week's maths will bring us. Take care, have a lovely weekend. Make sure you do lots of playing, lots of resting. Be good for your grown-ups and eat your fruit and veg. Bye, everybody. Oh, hang on a minute. Bye, everybody. See you soon.